Assalamu alaikum everyone. I recently had a great honor and a chance to go back to Somalia. And when I came back convinced that the project, especially the Gift of Education project that USS wants to undertake, will not only be beneficial today, it will be for many generations to come. And when I came back convinced that I should myself personally start embracing the dream that USS has, where they want to sponsor 20 kids at 10 universities across the geography of Somalia. It's precisely what the need is. I've just gone to Somalia. I just came back. I've seen it. I know it now. They need our help to make that dream a reality. Please support them. Donate to their cause. Keep it close to your heart. You know, I've told people many times in my life to find a cause that they deeply care about. This, for me, is one of them. I do care about them. I hope you will come along, and with the help of Allah, we will all go to higher horizons. Help them so that God may help you. Assalamu alaikum.